How to fix iPhone video stock while you are preparing or saving a video from photos. Hey everyone, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will guide you that how can you fix the problem like iPhone video stock while you are preparing a video on photos. So let's get started. On this process, after you are trying to edit or save some videos on your photos app, if you got that problem, you'll have to just exit that photos app from here, and after you exit that, you'll have to open settings on your iPhone. Alright, after you open settings, you'll have to tap on your Apple account, and from the Apple account, tap on iCloud. Alright, from the iCloud section, tap on see all option over here, and from here make sure that you have turned off the options like iCloud photos, and after you turn off it, your problem will be solved now. So if you are still facing that problem, you'll have to just again open the settings on your iPhone. Alright, from here tap on general, and from here tap on software update. Okay, so from this section make sure that you have the updated version of iOS on your iPhone, and after you confirm it, you'll have to back from here, and from the general section again scroll down at the bottom, and from here you can easily restart your iPhone by tapping on the option shutdown, and after you restart your iPhone, your problem will be gone now. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.